Hi, I'm Monica Poole and I'd like to invite you to join the annual Pattern Poole Online Mystery Quilt Course. This year the theme is Time to Bloom. This is our 6th online quilt course where we dive into making a Quilt-as-you-go quilt from start to finish. This course will run over 12 months, giving everyone plenty of time to enjoy the journey of learning and making the blocks. Time to Bloom has something for everyone with 2 blocks for the price of 1. Each month you'll receive a patchwork block and a bonus applique block designed by my daughter Monica Poole. And there'll be 1 extra bonus patchwork block to make a total of 25 blocks. This will give you the option to make all of the blocks into a large 80-inch square quilt, or you can choose your favourite block each month to make a smaller quilt with just 12 blocks. The applique blocks will be made with simple fusible applique and will have a floral theme. To stitch the blocks, you will have the choice to blanket stitch, zigzag or sketchy applique. The patchwork blocks will be traditional geometric designs that will focus on different techniques each month to help you expand on your skills and step outside your comfort zone. The monthly tutorial is pre-taped so you can make the blocks at your own pace and re-watch the video as many times as you like. Each block is quilted as we go and will be joined together with my easy cover strip method on the back of the quilt. If you're a beginner, intermediate or advanced quilter looking for a wonderful and supportive community to learn and be inspired, then perhaps this course is for you, and at the end of it you'll have a beautiful finished quilt. This year we are running the course on our website. You have the option of paying by the month up until the 1st of June 2024, or you can pay in full. To sign up, choose a payment option on our website, and once you have paid, you can access our first private members post, where we would love it if you could introduce yourself. From there, you can download the requirements list and calendar and get ready to start the course on the 1st of May. Hopefully, we'll see you there.